DKM Machinery specializes in paint bucket molding solution for more than 20 years, who has supplied over 3,000 sets of 20-litre 5-gallon paint bucket production lines to customers worldwide. A complete paint bucket production line includes paint bucket-specific injection molding machines, molds, part collection robots or IML, in-mold labeling, robots, conveyor belts, and other necessary auxiliary equipment. DKM provide different solutions according to customer needs, continuously introducing rolling out paint cans in sizes like 5L, 10L, and 20L, as well as variety shapes including square bucket, round bucket, and oval bucket. 420-litre IML paint bucket production line, with MFI 4-8, Paint Bucket Master, bucket-specific injection molding machine and IML labeling robotic arm, we could realize a production cycle 14.8s. The mold parts are elegant and durable, passing a 2-meter drop testing with zero damage. Choose DKM Machinery, your injection molding experts, to customize a high-level paint bucket production line solution tailored to your needs. DKM Machinery, make molding more valuable.